everything. SEP, every habit you repeat, every decision you make has been shaping the person you're becoming. This is the complete Mind Games Phase 4.
Your brain can be programmed, and today, you'll learn how to take back control.
Mind Games Phase 4 EP1. Your mind is always learning. Every thought you repeat strengthens a pathway. Every habit builds a pattern. The good news? Your brain isn't fixed. It can change the moment you choose a different thought, a different action, a different habit. You begin rewriting the person you become.
Changing your thoughts is only the beginning. Episode 2 reveals why your habits shape your identity more than your goals.
You don't become what you want. You become what you repeat.
Mind Games Phase 4 EP2. Every habit is a vote, not for who you are, but for who you're becoming. One workout won't change your life. One skipped workout won't ruin it, but repeated enough, every small action becomes your identity. Your future isn't built by your biggest decision. It's built by your daily habits. Change your habits, and you change your life.
Today's habit becomes tomorrow's identity. Episode 3 will reveal why your brain craves instant rewards and how to stop being controlled by them. Your brain isn't lazy. It's chasing the fastest reward.
Mind Games Phase 4 EP3. Dopamine trap. Your brain craves rewards, not because you're weak, but because it's designed to. Every notification, every short video, every small reward releases dopamine. The problem? Your brain starts choosing easy rewards over meaningful progress. Control your dopamine, and you regain control of your life.
/ the hardest thing to control isn't your time. It's your attention. Episode 4 will reveal why your attention is your most valuable asset and who's fighting for it every day. Your attention is the most valuable thing you own, and everyone is fighting for it.
Mind Games Phase 4 EP4. Your attention is your greatest power, but every day, thousands of things are competing for it. Notifications, entertainment, endless distractions. The world doesn't need to control your mind if it can control your focus, because what you focus on becomes your reality. Protect your attention, or someone else will use it for you.
Your attention shapes your future, but your emotions can secretly control your decisions. Episode 5 reveals how to master the emotions controlling your mind. Your emotions feel like your truth, but they are not always telling you the truth.
Mind Games Phase 4 EP5. Your emotions are powerful. They can guide you or control you. Fear can make you run. Anger can make you react. Doubt can make you quit. But emotions are signals, not commands. You don't have to obey every feeling you experience. The strongest people are not emotionless. They are the ones who can control their emotions before their emotions control them.
Controlling your emotions is powerful. But the next battle is even harder, controlling the thoughts that create them. Episode 6 reveals how your thoughts shape your reality. The most dangerous voice you'll ever hear is the one inside your own head.
Mind Games, Phase 4, EP6. Every thought plants a seed. Some grow into confidence, others grow into fear. The brain believes what it hears most. If you constantly tell yourself, "I can't," your mind searches for proof. But when you change the story, your reality begins to change. Master your thoughts, and you begin mastering your life.
Changing your thoughts changes your future. But one hidden habit silently destroys everything you build. Episode 7 reveals the psychology of self-sabotage. The biggest obstacle to your success might be you.
Mind Games, Phase 4, EP7. Every time you get close to success, a voice appears. Maybe you're not ready. What if you fail? What if they judge you? That's self-sabotage. Your brain isn't trying to ruin you. It's trying to protect you from discomfort. But comfort never creates growth. The moment you act, despite the fear, you break the cycle.
Breaking self-sabotage changes everything. But there's one invisible force that shapes every decision you make. Episode 8 reveals the psychology of identity and why you become the person you believe you are. You'll never outperform the identity you believe you have.
Mind Games, Phase 4, EP8. Your identity shapes every decision. If you believe, "I'm not confident," you'll act like it. If you believe, "I always fail," your brain searches for proof. But identity isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. Change what you believe about yourself, and your actions will follow. Become the person you decide to be.
Changing your identity changes your future. But one final force decides whether you stay consistent. Episode 9 reveals the psychology of discipline and why motivation alone is never enough.
Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going.
Mind Games, Phase 4, EP9. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you'll feel unstoppable. Other days you'll feel nothing. That's why successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline, because discipline shows up even when motivation doesn't. Master discipline, and success becomes a habit.
Discipline creates consistency. But one final lesson determines whether you'll keep growing for life. Episode 10 is the final chapter of Phase 4 Dante. Miss it. Your future isn't waiting for you. It's being created by you right now.
Mind Games, Phase 4, Final EP 10. Everything you've learned has been leading here. Your habits shape your identity. Your attention shapes your future. Your thoughts shape your reality. Your emotions shape your choices. But none of it matters if you never take action. The life you want starts with the person you choose to become today.
Phase 4. But your mind's greatest challenge is still ahead.
Welcome to Phase 5.
where you'll learn how to master your mind instead of letting it master you.